Here's what you need to do to understand this question. First of all, you have a square, and you also have a circle, and the shaded region only makes up 1/4 of the pieces that we're going to look at. So first of all, you have to understand this distance right here is 19. That's the diameter of the circle, and it's also the side length of the square. So if you find the area of a square, you're going to go area equals length times width, or 19 times 19, and get an answer. All right, and then you're going to take your answer and subtract off the area of a circle. The area of a circle is equal to pi times your radius squared. The radius in this problem is half of 19. Half of 19 would be 9.5. So I'll have pi times 9.5 squared. Now if I take this area here off of this one and subtract the two of those, I won't have, that'll be the area of all 4 of these spaces that you see here, right? But we only want to have just this one right here. So we're going to take our answer that we get here for this part, and let me just get a different color here, take this answer times 1/4, and then we'll have our answer for the entire space of the shaded region. So the area of the circle goes here, pi r squared. You're going to have your square taking the length times width, and the answer goes there. Hopefully this helps, and good luck. Blah, 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 blah. Great video.